Hello and welcome everyone to this video class. This is me, MD Shakwat Hassan with you. Today I'll present a video class of class 1 subject English Unit-1 Greetings and Farewells, Lesson 4, Page 7, Activity A and B. Tender learners, this is learning outcomes. It is not important for you as a learner, so quickly go through this part of this video. Okay. Tender learners, how are you? I am fine and hope you are fine too by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, at the very beginning of our class, we'll just flashback what did we do yesterday. Okay, what did we learn yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Yes, you are right. We learned about exchanging greetings. Exchanging greetings. Okay, how to exchange greeting to each other. Okay, thank you. Two of you come to the front and student 2 say, how are you? Student 1. Okay, and student 1 will say, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Student 2 will say, fine, thanks. I hope that I have been able to make you understand what I am talking about. Two of you have to come to the front. At first, one of you have to say, how are you? And the next one will say, I'm fine, thank you. And you? And you? Then the first one will say, fine, thanks. Fine, thanks. Okay. I hope that all of you will able to do the task quite nicely. Thank you very much for responding me nicely. Okay. What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? What are they doing? What are they doing? Yes, they're exchanging greeting. They're exchanging greeting. They're exchanging greetings. Okay. Thank you. This is page 7. Open page 7. Finally, show me page 7. Okay, all of you will able to open this page. I hope that. Thank you. First listen to me, then say with me the sentences given in the bubble of activity A with proper intonation and correct pronunciation. I will repeat it for 2 or 3 times. Okay. Okay. Hello Rita. Hello Rita. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. And you? I am fine. Thank you. And you? I am fine too. Thanks. I am fine too. Thanks. Hello Rita. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. And you? I am fine too. I am fine too. Thanks. Okay. I hope that you got the point. Now, student 1 respond as per the activity A with correct pronunciation and intonation. Repeat it for 2 or 3 times with student 2, 3 and 4. Sense your role in turns. Okay. I have that. You have been able to understand that quite nicely. You have to use another name in place of Rita. Okay. And you have to exchange greeting with your teacher. As student 2, 3 or 4, it will be continued. Thank you very much. Now divide in pairs. Say the lines of activity A. Practice the dialogue in pairs. Use the given name. In this part, we will not able to use our own name. We have to use the given name. Okay. You have to practice it in fire. Okay. I have that. We'll able to do so quite nicely. Thank you. Children learners will go through. Two of you come to the front and say, "Good morning, teacher. How are you?" Teacher will say, "I am fine. Thank you." And you, student, will say, "I am fine too. Thank you." Okay. Two of you come to the front and say, "Good morning, teacher. How are you?" Then teacher will say, "I am fine. Thank you." And you, again, student will say, "I am fine too. Thank you." Thank you very much for responding nicely. We'll Now we are going to play a game, word missing game. Okay, one of you from any pairs come to me and suppose I am Shamim and you are Shihab. I am saying the sentences and you will find the missing word. Sorry, I am saying the sentence and you will find the missing word. We'll say the missing word aloud. Then say the full sentence aloud. You can say in Bangla if necessary. Okay. Suppose I am Shamim and you are Shihab. I am saying the sentence and you will find the missing word. You will say the missing word aloud, then say the full sentence aloud. You can say in Bangla if necessary. Okay, I hope that you got my point. Thank you. Now do it in pairs repeatedly and sense the role in turns. If needed, ask for help to your teacher. Okay, we'll ask for help in any problem to our teacher. Okay, thank you very much. Practice the dialogue activity A and B in pairs and throwing the snowball. You can select which pair will perform missing game in front of the class. Okay, we can randomly choose or we can throw the softball to choose the pairs will perform missing game in front of the whole class. Thank you very much. Do it repeatedly and sense the role in turns. I hope that you will able to do it quite nicely with the help of your teacher. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. This part is not for you. This part is especially for us. Okay. So thank you very much for being with me. Now it's time to say, what have we learned today? What have we learned today? I hope that all of you know the answer of this question. So goodbye, my dear students. See you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.